What is up? My name's Hamza Ratani, and today I'm gonna have a day in the life. I'm gonna be going off to Royal Oak, meeting my friend Finn. We're just gonna film a bit, have a bit of fun. We are off. Damn right we are. I'm on my way to the train station right now. I need to go to Wimbledon, and then from Wimbledon to basically near Royal Oak, and there's like a 10-minute walk away from the skate park. Got my board. It's actually a bit chipped right now, unfortunately, which kind of sucks. I have a couple tricks in my mind I need to get, and hopefully you guys can enjoy that. My lens has stuff on it, and can you see it? Can you see the stuff on my lens? Can you see the stuff on my lens? I don't know if you can. And just a quick word of advice, I recently bought the Bones Super Reds bearings. I actually think they're horrible. I've been skating loads of different bearings, and I really find no difference in between these and the Reds. So I don't know, the bearing industry in skateboarding, I don't know who to go with. So you can tell me who you think's good for bearings in the comment section below. Usual British weather, so it's raining of course, just a bit right now. Damn right! Here's the station, or West Sutton station now. About to top up the Oyster card. Thank you. Alright, off to Wimbledon, let's go. That's what we need to get to, Bayswater. Which train to take? Right, I'm at Bayswater now. Just came off the tube. Yeah, there we go. It's raining. Nice weather. Gonna have to pack the camera away, and I'll see you at Royal Oak. Alright, I'm out here. I'm at Royal Oak. Just waiting for Finn right now. Should be down here in maybe 30 minutes. So I'm just warm up, and when he comes I'll start filming again. You guys here? I haven't seen you in like a year or something. That's crazy. That's awesome, man. I'm filming a day in the life, by the way. No dirty lens today. Come on.
Felipe Gustavo Steez, you know? I like it.
Just try.
Cameraman. Dang it.
I'm going, man. See you later.
Oh, yeah. Huh?
I'll see you.
Let's
go, yeah. I'll see you later.
Oh, see.
Day in the life. So the day has ended. Finished at Royal Oak.
Okay, boys.
You already know. See you there. So yeah, Royal Oak session went down, and I'm on my way home now. So see you guys. Peace. Session was super sick. A load of people came down that I didn't expect to come. And I now need to make it to Bayswater in what? How many minutes? 10? The ground here in London is actually so bad. I haven't had a good session like that in forever. Oh, pushing.
Alright, so search up Finn Wilson. That's my channel. Subscribe to me. And
Run
yeah.
a skater.
Yeah.